So these carpets just came in from Auto Custom Carpets, which I ordered through Amazon. I'm gonna go ahead and try them out in my pickup. And as you can see, has the it's not just a carpet, but it actually has this other mat underneath. I'm gonna go ahead, as you know, this is for under the pedals there. So let me try to get this finagled in there, and then we'll take a look at what are we gonna do with this extra piece here. Obviously this cabin is a lot smaller. It might be better just to remove the whole shift lever completely. Right, there you have it. Those are the 720 rugs. This wasn't even necessary. As you can see, the dashboard is super duper clean. The only thing that really needs work is the steering wheel. I'll be taking that off at some point and figuring out how to restore it. And then whatever I wrap the interior with, I'm gonna also do that. Besides the rugs, I did get new seat belts because the other ones were real tatty. I shampooed, I stitched up the ribs, and yeah, not bad. Just waiting for a couple more things from Amazon for here. Put that in, and after that, yeah, it's all assembled, headliners in. But I'm gonna be doing a color change, so the black rug will remain, but I'm gonna do something totally different in there. Yeah, can't wait. Stay tuned.